The Amazon rainforest. As the world continues to industrialize and create new technology, the environment often suffers the consequences. Companies are destroying land and taking natural resources for their own benefit and profit. This disrupts climates, habitats, communities, and much more. The Amazon rainforest is home to millions of species and covers as much land as the size of Australia. It is currently facing the challenge of deforestation, which would have lasting impacts on the world. Preserving the Amazon rainforest is crucial for protecting against the current climate change crisis, as well as keeping the indigenous communities and biodiversity shielded from disaster. The Amazon rainforest covers about 2.6 million square miles. That being said, this enormous area of lush vegetation stores a lot of greenhouse gases that would be dangerous for our planet if they were out floating in our atmosphere and the air we breathe. The rainforest holds about 150 billion tons of carbon, which would be released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide through deforestation. Companies are destroying the rainforest at a rapid rate, usually by setting fires, which quickly releases CO2. Not only are greenhouse gases an issue, but the lessening of trees in this environment will lead to shallower water levels, meaning that more habitats would not thrive. The trees in the rainforest transpire water vapor through their leaves, which contributes to precipitation and the formation of clouds. Rainfall patterns in this area affect the climate all throughout the region, since this area is so large. Healthy forests are grounds for healthy ecosystems. When ecosystems are resilient and strong, they are able to bounce back from natural disasters and weather. Without that strength, extreme weather could be very damaging to this region. Terminating the destruction of this land will prevent these issues from progressing. Indigenous people living in the Amazon have relied on the forest and its resources for many generations. They have developed their livelihoods, culture, and history in this area, and it is being destroyed for large companies' profit. Indigenous people occupy about 150 million acres of land in the Amazon basin, and activities like mining and logging are quickly taking away their native land. Many indigenous communities around the world have already been forced out of their land due to industrial causes, an example being 99% of Native Americans being forced out by Europeans. The geological diversity of the Amazon rainforest is what makes it home to so many organisms. There are wetlands, rivers, and forests containing more species than you could imagine. All the different types of species play a role in food webs and maintaining a stable ecosystem. The animals, plants, and humans all rely on the health of the ecosystem of the rainforest. Some ways that people can help preserve the Amazon rainforest is by making policies and laws around logging, mining, and land clearing illegal. We can support communities in need of help, restore, and reforest areas already impacted. In the biodiversity hotspot of the world that we know, the Amazon rainforest, wildlife, and humans are suffering the consequences of deforestation. The negative effects are being caused by humans, who are the only ones able to reverse the changes they have created. United, we must protect this sacred land, which we will have to pay the destructive consequences for if not preserved.